Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati. Haridas Thakur wanted to deliver Lakshya Hira. Even we don't like to look at Lakshya Hira because we can get some reaction if we look at Lakshya Hira. But Haridas Thakur is so merciful, he wanted to deliver Lakshya Hira. You see, there was every possibility for Haridas to earn, to get some bad name. Who knows? In the forest there is one Tulasi, one Bhajan Kutir, and Lakshya Hira coming there. Haridas Thakur could run away from that place, like me. I cannot deliver that man, lady. Why I can go, somebody can speak, right? But remember, Nityananda Balaram is there sitting inside. He is always watching your activity, my activities. So let people speak all rubbish against me. Let people speak. They have their liberty to speak all rubbish and think all rubbish about me. What it concern to me? I have taken the responsibility from Nityananda Prabhu to deliver all fallen souls. That is my responsibility. So I will have to execute my duty without any fail. Lapse of duty is not allowed. So anybody could speak all rubbish against Haridas Thakur. Who knows, 3 days that lady went there, prof ladies. But still you are there. Who knows? Where is the guarantee there was any CC camera? But Haridas Thakur was some mustard oil message in those, because there is no duplicity inside heart. If there is any duplicity, you can fall down. That's why Haridas Thakur was successful to deliver. Remember, all bonded souls, they are the representative of Kala Krishnadas, Prabhupada told. All bonded souls, they are the representative of Kala Krishnadas. Kala Krishnadas was clean, bold. Kala Krishnadas was clean, bold, my Maya Devi, like cricket game, bowling and going to throw. Kala Krishnadas was clean, bold by Maya Devi. That's why Gauranga Mahaprabhu wanted to throw him away. But don't think that Shuddha Guru-Vaiṣṇavas, they are the representative of Kala Krishnadas. Not that. They are the representative of Nityananda Prabhu at any cost. They can come down to any level for the preaching of Gauranga to deliver one fallen soul. It is quite natural from them. It is quite natural from them. They can go. They can do it. But bonded soul, they have no right to do it. Bonded soul cannot do. Those who are representative of Nityananda, they can do anything. If one Patit Pavan going to deliver somebody and he himself going to fall down, what is the utility of this name Patit Pavan? What is the utility of this name Patit Pavan? No utility. Guru-Vaiṣṇavas can change the heart of any inclined soul. Maybe done some mistake, but Guru-Vaiṣṇavas can change the heart of any fallen soul for long distance, not even long distance. From here can emit power and deliver. It's possible for them. It's 100% possible for them. They can change. Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati.